I see nothing. Okay. But you're taking time. I still don't see nothing.
Ain't nothing.
I see nothing.
That's neat. Here's the camera.
I think I seen the smoke, but it looks like clouds in the camera. Yeah, Chevy, I told you.
Shooting off some fireworks.
Hmm? Oh, I don't know. You gonna drop that down there?
There's the moon shining through the trees.
Go ahead. It may not work like you think. No.
That's fine.
Yeah, but leave it in there, and then the last one will be at the end. It'll be full, and you see what I mean? They won't. They'll go further because they won't go as far down the barrel.
Trying to see the moon.
Wow! Everything.
That's Wally.
Ow! I'm about to go in too. Oh no! Fire gas gun. Chevy, I want you to see this.
Is that 5?
Yep.
5. What 5?
5. Oh, double action here.
Oh boy, they are close. I'm farther than you.
Oh. Okay, like that one.
Okay, I like that one. Right here. Get over there and let Mom get a good picture of it. Watch your gun, son.
Well, you oughta.
Or you can cut this down.
Here's a flat spot right here.
Here's a flat spot.
Probably blow the truck up.
Probably.
Have gas on it or something.
Have full flat. Oh, now get me.
Oh, shit. Oh, that is just wonderful.
1 minute.
There we go. There ain't gas in the truck, is there?
That would work.
Yeah.
Take one of them, light it, and throw it behind the people you're shooting at. So when it goes off, you can see them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Throw it where they're hiding at. And you can see them more. Can you imagine if you were coyotes or deer were and they dropped one of them son of bitches? That's good. That's the time.
Oh, I can't see them.
Because you could be long gone before it ever starts really going off. Probably welding a hole through my fucking. They got them pops piled up in there and put.
Been 2 minutes.
That's a good deal. I'm sure they have something very cheap, but you can't make fire tractors go off that long for $1. You have to keep lighting. That'd be a good signal, fire, or anything.
Fire!
Put about 10 of them in a fire and just run by.
Get to the last pop.
Hey, you set them across
Alright,
the road.
that was 3 minutes exact.
Set them across the highway.
Yeah, that was 3 minutes
Somebody,
exact.
they wouldn't. That was good.
Please rate,
Actually,
comment, subscribe. Don't fuck with us.
I had
See you later. 3 minutes long.
But it did.
For 99 cents. What is that place called? Firework place?
They were free.
No, what is the firework place called?
I don't know.
Well, if you live in Missouri in Jefferson City, Apache Flats, go check them out. Please rate, comment, subscribe.